Welcome to OpenMentor.net. We are going to see how to do task management in QAMonitor. Once you get into the home page, you see the list of the dashboards. 8 dashboards over here with quick statistics. Right now there are no tasks. If you want to have tasks, you have to go to Tasks tab. This is usually done by the project management or the leading team. Someone creates the task. That task is assigned to some people. Those people, the assignees, go to this system, go to this tab and update the status. Let us create a quick task. Okay, you go to add a task. This is like add a task, meaning it's a primary task. I add a task. It opens up a window. Let us say conduct demo to customer XYZ. Then the description, do a brief demo and then hand out pamphlets. Okay, right now it is a new status. You can set the priority. Let us say this is high priority. Whether you want this task to have subtasks, that means it can become like a tree. I say yes. Now the start date we are saying today, and the end date also today. We are not specifying any start time and end time. You can still specify the start time and end time to be more accurate. We are looking at this demo has to be for 1 hour, and I am assigning that to tester test001 user ID. This activity type, you can have all these activities in your lookup codes. Okay, right now it is like downtime, holiday. You can have demo as one of that. Right now let me say self-study. You can add your own activity types in the lookup codes in settings. Now I say save. Okay, this task has been added. Now if you see, the task will appear over here. If you want to add additional task types like demo, etc., customer meet, you can go here. There is an activity type. You can go to this activity type. Now I say demo. I add demo. Then I want to add one more type like meeting. So you can add all these things. Once you add, you come back to the tasks. If you want to update the task with the right activity type, you can do so. Now I go here, then I try to change this activity type to demo. Those new activity types appear right here. So I save this task, then I come out. Now this one task has been added. If I want to have another task, you can add a task or add a sibling. Add a sibling meaning if I have multiple levels, it will add at the same level. If you add subtask, it will add one level below. Let me add a subtask to this particular one. Now I'm going to say, okay, provide eval copy to customer. Okay, now I give handout our demo DVD. Now I'm going to say this priority is again medium. Start date is today, and then it ends today. Maybe additional 1 hour. Assigned to tester, activity type demo, and then save the task. So once this is saved, you could see this task appearing like a plus sign. Now if you expand, that appear as a child. Now if you want to add a task, add task always adds at the end. When you say add sibling, it will add at the same level. If I select this task and then say add a sibling, it will add this at the same level. Now this particular user logs out. Tester001 comes in. Okay, now test001, I give the password. Once you get in, this is the home page of test001. Now he selects the project. Once he selects the project, it shows the activities assigned to that person. Okay, task for today, task as on today, it shows over here. So this user goes to this one. Then either this person can change the task status to something else, or this person can also provide additional details. Okay, he edits the task. Now he says he wants to add percentage completion. Right now I have 50% complete. Now I'm changing the status to work in progress. Okay, and this person also gives an effort. As on this date, he adds this date. He gives, I have spent 0.5 hours, or say 1 hour right now. Now gives a note saying that give demo, and then this person saves the task. So once this is done, once the save that has happened, okay, what happens is you could see the status reflecting right here. It changes to WIP, whereas the subtask is in new. Unless he closes each and individual task, it cannot go. So now for this particular task, this user has given some time. Now tester, this particular person goes here and then gives for every task. Ultimately you can edit it, or you can just give the effort alone. Now this person goes to this task, then edits this task saying that this is closed. Okay, then this is 100% complete. Some tasks may be closed even without completion also, so you have to enter independently. Now he says 1 hour spent, and then he saves this. Okay, so this task, if you look here, this task has gone to the closed status. This is in work in progress status. Now the same person goes in here for this particular task. He wants to enter additional timesheet details. Now he says add one more record. Okay, now I spent 1 more hour in this task. Okay, gave a copy of CD and met their whole team. So this is the status update this person has given. Okay, now if you see here, there is a assigned start date, end date. If you want additional columns also, you can say go to these columns. I want to say actual effort and planned effort also. You can select those things. You can see planned effort is 1, actual effort is 2. This actual effort comes from the timesheet details this particular person has given. Now he goes and then changes this particular. You can edit right here, or you can go here and then change the status to closed. So this person goes here to the task, edits the status to closed, then says this task is now 100% complete. Now this person saves this. Okay, so once this is saved, you could see both the tasks closed. If you go to the history of the task, if you click on this, you could see at what time, what were the status changes from new to WIP, closed, and what has changed along the task line. You could see, and then who changed it. Initially Rajan changed, then test 001 user ID changed. So you can get all the details of that particular task. So you can have hierarchical task management like this. Many projects used to have hundreds of tasks with subtasks. So you can track your planned date, planned start and planned end, planned effort and actual effort, actual start and actual end. So it will track all the details of every single task. This is how the entire project management can be tracked across the projects and across multiple teams located at different geographic locations. So in this session we had created tasks, provided the actual effort details as timesheet details, then we changed the status of the tasks, we saw the history of the tasks. Thank you.